Hey, good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening. It depends on the place you're watching me from. On this video is a special video. I'm shooting this video all the way from the village over here in Kenya, Africa. And of course, listen to the birds. That's a very nice symbol of the day, showing you that it's a very peaceful morning over here. And actually, it gives you a very meditating vibe when you are actually around here, inside around here in this compound, actually in the village. So ensure subscribe, like, share, and leave us a comment, because we are on the road to 30,000 subscribers. And this day today we are going to construct something very beautiful. Actually, like for now, as you've seen, I will putting some poles and through that also with a fence. And right now we are inside beautiful nice green lush compound around here in Kenya, Africa. So I wanted actually to protect actually our fruit yard, and also if you want to just rear even chicken inside here, they can just run freely, just a free range chicken or a free range, even kids running helter skelter around here, you know. Also we have also our dogs, which also run very crazily. So they always go out, and sometimes when they come back they are beaten. So it's better also to make sure they've enclosed all the way. So we have harnessed all this place, and the whole compound has been done what we call like protected, so even the dogs cannot penetrate down here to go maybe outside, or the outside dogs cannot come in. The very best way of this fence. So another thing is, guys, today we are going to prepare a gate. So you saw the other previous video that we were painting it. So today I want to show you how we started it, how we came up with an idea of making this gate, and also how is it working, you know. So watch this video to the end, and sure you subscribe if you haven't, like, share, and leave us a comment. Right now, even what's happening around, the goats are outside, but if you leave them inside here, they do what we call like just maneuver, you know, because we freely some days we want to prepare this. I love the trees, man. I love the fact that birds are making a lot of beautiful noise, you know. They're singing melodiously. So that's what you see. Look, where's that bird? I'm trying to look for it. Come on. Okay, I know now why. They're eating this pomegranate. There's a pomegranate over here that has already busted. Look. So I think this should be harvested right now. Hey, but it's very... So I have to go this way. Come and harvest this one. That's the beauty. The beauty of having this kind of fruits over here. Let me also know in the comment section, how do you feel about having a compound that have best fruits, and of course what does it mean to have this kind of this. So it brings a lot of birds, and different species of birds. Like right now as we speak, so there's a bird that can't fly, but it was just moving randomly here. It was how can we say, it was limping. Is it limping or jumping? It was jumping. So this small forest of ours over here carries a lot of birds. So maybe during the day you'll see them coming to eat the jamun. They're called jam fruits. We call them zambarao. So they always come to eat jamun fruits. And this tree also, it's called water tree. So this water tree also carries some of the different fruits that also birds love. So they always come here very nicely. So let's wait and see, but watch this video to the end. The main dream of this video is to show you how we are doing this gate, or we are constructing this gate from scratch. Actually, I came up with this idea, and also I would like to urge you also to help me select a better color. Some people are telling me paint green, others were saying paint black, others were saying gray. So still I'm having this idea, should I even paint it red, you know. So but I want it to be like unique gate, because it's made from wooden, and I really know that also you'll have this idea like about constructing a gate from wood, you know. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this, and watch this video to the end. Let me just enjoy the fruit over here. Let me harvest it. All right. Okay, so guys, that is what you see. It's the starting of the work. And I'm with Fundi Duke here. The engineer. So today it is what we are doing around here. So we are trying to strengthen the gate and work with it slowly by slowly, leaving up. That's what you see what Mr. Fundi Duke is doing. Yeah, so you have to look this inside the if you look direct without glasses, sunglasses, hey, you'll see fire. At night you won't sleep. So that's what you see. Trying to improvise slowly by slowly. Trying to put some hinges. Those are the door hinges. So this is a small community gate. So this would be a very small community gate. Island is busy. No, you know it's busy. So when the frame comes, it will be here another frame, so it will make it straight.
The gap. The gap between here and here, or between here and there,
It's different. But now the frame will be different. It's because of the tree.
Okay.
Yeah. This tree is kind of not okay. But anyway, just doing it temporary, it's not a permanent one. And on the Duke, is it ready now?
Yeah, it is ready.
So I can uproot this from here. For us to uproot this now, it's another case. It's a very big case for us. Hey, I thought for that, just like this, you return me this. It's so big and massive. Hey, you can't do it. Just like this. Using it this way. So let's go for the gate. Oh,
I'm up on the idea of the reach.
Lifting this gate is so easy, but very tough. So, Manu, before you go to school, come back here just a little bit. 2 minutes. Kidogo tu. Takutuwekea hizi mbao. Hapa. Siweke hapo kwa.
Wacha tuwae. Wacha kwanza tuwae.
Okay. Sawa, enda tu shule. Sasa iwekwe steam straight hivyo. Yeah, so over here now we have changed everything. So the gate will be here. Kifulani. Ni moto. So it will be somewhere like that, just like this, and then we hang it like tian. Then we fold. We fold. So from outside, this is what you see. Out the angle of loci. So we show you to be going this way. Alright? Okay. So open. Open. Wagwan teacher. Wagwan teacher. You see how it's now swaying on its own. Wow. The gate is swaying on its own.
This is brand new in the village.
The most unique gate.
Yeah, we are coming up with the things we saw in Mombasa. Modifying.
Yeah.
Using glue gum instead of mahogany.
Mahogany, yeah. Mahogany is very expensive. Actually, guys, mahogany is very expensive. But if I could get it when it's cheap, we could have done it. But this is just we are trying, you know, just a trial of this, and we see how it is. Because I really love the design.
It's like a sample.
It's like a sample.
But it is very beautiful.
Yeah. So let's wait until we fix both of the gates. You'll see how it will look like. You know. So this is you come with an idea, and you tell the engineer, this is what I want, and he deliver. You see. So yeah. That's what we are doing over here. So let's go fix the other one. The other one will be fixed here on this other side, and you'll see how it is. Wagwan teacher. Good enough, day. Wagwan teacher. Hey, me good?
I'm good.
Okay, yeah, this is my young brother, man. Hey, you're from school right now?
Yeah.
Okay, man. Chop, man. Yeah, so let's try fix the other gate and we see how stuff are. Okay? Yeah.
Lubricating
the gate.
The engine.
That's when the Duke doing his things. Slowly by slowly.
Lubrication.
To lubricate the gate so that the hinges can run very well. That's what you see. What he's doing, adding some dirty engine oil to lubricate the hinges. Ooh-wee. That's what you see. So he's trying to do what you call like to make some holes so that the nails can pass through. Easy. Slowly. Just like that. And we are done. Just like that. Ooh, fire. Do you want to go touch those things? Hey. That's like mercury. That's like, I don't know how I can say it. It's like lava. Hot lava. Volcano lava. So it will just burn you thoroughly. Na ile ya juu, that's hot magma. Is it magma or lava? Between magma and lava, which is very hot? Magma. So that's those sparkles are like magma. Oh my god. Easy. Yo. Yeah, just like that. So what Mr. Duke is doing is usually help us to scoop what we call like soil from holes. So we use this to dig holes and this one to scoop. So that's what you see what Mr. Duke is doing. Just like that. Ooh. Wow. Just like that. It's being done. Usijuzime mashini kwanza, kuna kitu nitakuonesha. Hey, kitu mzuri. A good thing. You wait, I'll share with you. Let me show you guys. Oh, reinforcement. This one is so heavy. Hold there. Hold it easy. It's so hot. So what? We go back. We go back. We go back. Go hold in the middle. In the middle. In the middle. Hold in the middle, baby. Yeah, just like that. Is it too heavy for you? Oh my god. Ah. Nataka ilale juu ya mbao.
Melala.
Okay, just like that, and then let me just kunja these nails. It's so
Sharp.
can destroy somebody. We will mend it again. So this is what you see. Then we have this beautiful gate. So let him reinforce it. Then we'll show you how we'll take it actually at its pillars. Then yeah, just like oh.
I'm up on the idea of the rich.
Yeah, so the gate is almost ready, so we're trying to put up the locks, and want to do it because in a slant way, in a slant way, because always have some people's car that come around which are very better. So like I have a friend who has a small car that is very low, so we have to do this on a good way, so that even if you come with your motorbike or your car, you're good to go. Just like this, you know. Yes, easy. Just like that. This one should go down. Yeah. This one should up. There's a bounce. Just like that. So like in 30 minutes it will be very much okay. So lock with the key. So over here it will be like whiz around, Hodi. Just like that, which will be good. So right here, just over here, we have a gate, a very big gate, and as you see around here, a lot. So yeah, with this we just improvise it and show you how everything will be. With me, I want to say thank you so much, guys. But before this, I also share with you what's happening. So around here, this is what you see. It's good and simple, just like just improvising, pole, slowly, and then you see how something like this comes up very much okay, and that's it, right? Yeah, so it's another beautiful day. Oh my god, look at my hands. It's another beautiful day. This is what you see. We have harnessed it, and now we have a pathway through, always on the other side to our home, and we have a small gate. This small gate. So this one, it's just a mini entry. Let me show you. That's a mini entry, just like that. And I love the fact that it's wooded. I improvised that, and we have this bigger one. This one, it's massive. So this one is only for cars, and maybe if you have a big motorbike, and yeah, just like that. And but if it's not in use, we use the small one. You know, I don't know how you call that small gate. On most of people's gates, I don't know how you call it. Is it an escape gate or what? But this one specifically for big trucks and big cars, and this other one for people like us. So all the other side, this is what you see. So the dog is inside. Come. Where will you pass? So right now inside we have a gate right there. Here, that's what you see. And now we're waiting to plow here and also put some other stuffs. I told you that this side, I told my parents not to plow it and plant anything, but I want to do what you call like plant some different varieties of crops, because we want to do some crop rotation. because the other time it has been beans, maize, beans, maize, beans, maize, beans, maize. But right now we want to do crop rotation, that we can plant other stuffs from that. So also this, I was just putting up these poles. I don't know if right now they're okay, but oh my god, hey, this one is kinda strong. This one is strong, so we're putting up these poles just like that. Poles. Also this side, put up a pole just like that, another pole, see, all the way. So all the poles just like that. So, oh, the dog just followed us. Hi, how are you? You good? Come on, come on, come on. Yeah, so just like that, and we are really home. So helped by Godi Dodi Junior. Oh, wewe utasimama hapo unaangalia, you at the watchtower. That's the watchtower right there. Hey, Godi Dodi.
Yes.
Yeah, so we are doing around here. Hey, this dog. Huh? You see this dog? It's called Soothe. Its name is Soothe. Yeah, so thank you so much, guys. I appreciate your love and support. And now even we also just want to have natural trees around here inside. No, come on, man. What's wrong, bro? I wanna talk to the people. Oh, yo. Yeah, so I've seen some of. Hi, come on, man. What's wrong with you? I've seen some of the different species of birds growing outside here. They're just hiding inside here. Some cannot jump, but they run around. And deep inside there is some beehive and a lot of stuff. So just like that, we are home. At least we have. So you'll be coming here and I tell you, wait until you see a wooden gate. Just go deep, and then you see a wooden gate, painted black. That's Claude's home. Yeah. So thank you so much. Be blessed and bye for now. Bye, guys. See you in the next video.